Hello guys, this is the video how to clean your map sensor on a 2019 Opel Insignia or Insignia B with diesel engine 2-liter BD version. So the map sensor is located here on the manifold. It's held in by this screw which is Torx. You just unscrew it and remove it upwards. Be careful with the plug. You have to remove this or you have to move this secure tab. Then, as you can see, mine is very dirty, and you have to use some cleaner which is for intake, EGR valves, MUF and MAP sensors only, to clean it out. And the reason why I'm cleaning this is that the lean acceleration.